This is a demo video on how to use your Texecom Premier Elite alarm system. If you have a symbol keypad that looks like this, then I've made a separate video just for you that I will link in the description and also at the end screen of this video. When it comes to setting your alarm system, enter your user code. When it asks you, do you want to alarm system, press yes. This will now set. Usually set up for a 30-second setting or when you have closed the front door. You will hear the tone change. And then when there is no movement, it will go back to this. And in the last 5 seconds, the tone will go higher. System is now set. Now when you're coming back in, tone starts, and this is when you enter your user code. System is now unset. If you want to part set your system, for example on a nighttime set, put in your code, press the part button here, and press yes to evening arm. This will now set, usually emitting landing or upstairs sensor. It will take 30 seconds to set if it's set up for that, which is common. And after the 30 seconds, you will hear a chime just to let you know the system is set if you're waiting for it upstairs. But it's set silently if it's set up for it in case someone's in bed as to not disturb them. We will just wait for that to set. System is now armed in evening mode. When you come down in the morning, for example, it wants you to unset the alarm. Simply unset the exact same way by entering your code. If you need to cancel the exit mode when the system is setting, simply put in your code again and it will ask you, do you want to cancel exit, and click yes. To silence an alarm, put your code in once to cancel the alarm going off and then enter your code again. And when it says this here, press the reset and you'll come back to the home screen ready to set again. To omit zones, put in your user code, click the omit button here, go to the zone you would like to omit, press the omit button, it will tell you that zone is omitted and the omit light will come on, press the menu key and then click yes to now start the set with that zone omitted. To turn the chime on, simply click the chime button and the chime will come on the zones that are set up for chime. If you want to turn the chime off, simply press the button again and it will turn those zones off in case you're getting a beep as you're walking around the house. To change your user code, put in your code, press the menu button in the bottom right, click yes to user menu, click down once to change code. Click yes to change code, put in your new code, press yes, then click the reset button and your new code is programmed into the alarm system. If you see on the screen it says engineer reset or anti-code reset required, that means you will need to get in touch with the installer of the alarm system or a professional installer in your area who can do an engineer reset for you on the alarm system. Hope that's helped. If there's anything that I haven't covered that you would like more specific info on, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.